guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how this Mavic Mini perform in low light at night, and also flying in a strong wind. And we're gonna go ahead and see how this 3-axis gimbal in the Mini, and also being a 249 grams. So it's gonna be interesting how this thing perform in this environment. I mean, I would say this is the limit of these drones, especially flying in this condition. And you guys can go ahead and see, I felt like I'm flying a big drone here. I felt like I'm flying a Mavic Pro or Mavic Air or a Mavic 2s, or I would say a Phantom 4s or a Phantom 3, professional, and just how smooth this thing is a flyer. And doesn't even affect the wind. And look at the gimbal in this thing, man. It's just super smooth. And you guys can see I'm way out there. Of course, I'm flying over waters. I don't want to get close to the building, so you guys can go ahead and see here. But I'm just going to show you guys how smooth it is, especially going forward here. And I'm just blown away how this thing perform. If you guys see my other videos, I actually put this in extreme environment condition. I actually flown this in sport mode, long range, and also did a quick shot. If you guys did not see that, check it out, because I put this thing to the extreme and I put it in the limit, guys. So I mean, I've flown it in the worst environment you can even think of. And so you guys can go ahead and see how this Mavic Mini can perform and what's the limit on this drone. And you guys can also see how the gimbal actually perform on those conditions. And anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fly around here, and I'm just, like I said, I'm blown away how this Mavic flies smooth. And especially, I'm not in a slow mode. I'm just like, just ordinary mode right now, and just, I'm not even in cinematic mode, I would say. I'm just in the ordinary mode, and I'm look at how firm it is. I mean, look how smooth this gimbal is. And yeah, so I'm just flying over here, and I have a little bit of interference, of course. I'm in the area with lots of buildings, lots of activities going on, and this Mavic Mini didn't even affect it. And look at how smooth this Mavic Mini camera. And like I said, I actually felt like I'm flying a Mavic Air and also a Mavic Pro. It's just smooth flyer. And it's not even affecting the wind at all. Especially flying in this condition. And you guys can see over here on my right, I have the symmetry, and you guys can see right there, it even says strong wind. So you guys can check it out yourself, how this really Mavic Mini can perform, especially flying in this environment. And for you guys out there, this might be your first drone, or some of you guys just have this for a backup drone, or you want to have this as a replacement drone. Maybe if you have the Spark, you want to go to the next level than the Spark, or maybe you have a Mavic Air and you want something that just a little bit smaller than Mavic Air, or if you have a Mavic Pro 2 or Mavic Pro or Phantom, just something just to have. And I think this Mavic Mini is, I would say, it's a win-win situation. I mean, look how tiny it is, and they can still give you this footage. Especially, you can get it for like what, $3.99 or less, or $4.99 if you want to get the combo for 30 minutes flight time. I have plenty flight time here, guys. I'm just going forward. I'm just flying around, and I feel like I have no worries flying it, especially in this extreme wind condition. And you guys can see here, it still says strong wind. And I actually have this Mavic Mini. I'm not saying compare it. I just say I fly, with the Mavic Pro 2. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how those two perform, and especially flying it like right now at night. So I actually did that. If you guys see my video on this one, I'm gonna go ahead and make that a next video. And like I said, man, if you're interested buying this Mini, check it out. My videos, I actually put this in extreme wind. I put in the limit guide. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you here on this quick shots, and it actually works, especially in low light. As long as you have enough light, if you guys see over here where I'm at, I mean, it still works. So, and I actually did a droney over here, and also I did a rocket. So yes, I'm impressed with this Mavic Mini, what it can do. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And definitely check out my next video. And I'm just going to show it to you guys how the Mavic Pro 2 and also the Mavic Mini, how it perform flying both side by side. Thank you guys for watching.